So how do you make amazing profile pictures for your social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn? We're going to talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I recently found this tool. I'm super excited to share this with you. So let's jump right into this. So here is the tool, Profile Maker, and it's pfpmaker.com. That's the URL. It's very simple tool, and it does one thing, but really well. And you probably have seen a lot of people use the circle around their profile pictures, a lot of like cool stuff. So this tool is going to help you make a really awesome profile picture. So let's test this out. So I'm going to upload. You can also drag pictures here. I'm going to upload one of my pictures. Let's take this, open, and it's going to do its magic. We're going to see a lot of different types of profile pictures. Some are professional, some are kind of funky, some are fun. So you'll see in a second when this is done, this tool is done doing its magic. I know. I think there we go. There we go. So look at this. How cool these images are, right? So you can view these on different like background. So this is how it's going to look like on different accounts. Go back, and if you wanted to download, you can download by clicking on this button. But let me show you how. Actually, let me adjust the photo because I don't think I'm in the center. Now I am. Save, and look at that. And let me just show you how many variations they have. So many, right? And you can also, let's say you want to brand it according to your colors. So there are options here, colors. So click on that, and then you can see all this. It will change. Look at that, everything changed. So you can play with this tool and create profile pictures for all of your social media accounts. So this is the circle thing that we see a lot from people. Let me actually change it to red because I really liked how the red was. Yeah, look at this. Right, you can download these, add these to your LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want. You can also, I haven't done much with shadows, but I'm assuming, see how you can add shadows? If you want, you can do that. Really cool. So yeah, very simple tool that you can use to create amazing profile pictures. It's pfpmaker.com. Go test it out. Goodbye to boring profile images, okay? All right, before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.